In this video, we'll show you how to replace the cutter blade for your Canon LG-P800 Label Printer. Before we begin, please remove the loaded paper from the printer. The cutter can't be replaced if there's paper in the moving range of the cutter. Let's get started. From the home screen, select the setup icon. Select Maintenance. Scroll down until you find Replace Cutter Blade Unit. And then select it. Select Yes to replace the cutter blade unit, and it will slide into the replacement position. Review the instructions displayed on the operation panel before proceeding. Unbox the new cutter blade unit and make sure the 3mm hex wrench is included. Do not touch the blades of the cutter unit. Doing so may result in injury. Using the 3mm hex wrench that comes with the new cutter blade unit, loosen the screw that holds the old cutter blade unit in place. Do not touch the blades of the cutter unit. Doing so may result in injury. Gently lift up on the cutter blade unit and pull it toward you to remove it from the printer. Line up the posts of the new cutter unit with the corresponding posts in the printer. Once you have aligned the posts, push the replacement cutter unit into place. Secure the replacement cutter unit into place by tightening the screw. Once the replacement cutter unit is secured, select Done on the screen. And then select Yes. After a few moments, the printer will move the cutter unit back to its home position. The printer will return to the home screen. Congratulations! This completes the cutter blade replacement for your LG-P800 Label Printer. For more how-to videos, please visit our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.